Public Speaking Essentials: Crafting Engaging Introductions to Ignite Curiosity. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential component of successful public speaking: creating suspense or curiosity right from the start. Have you ever wondered how great speakers manage to grab your attention immediately and keep you hooked till the end? That's exactly what we're going to learn today. The introduction sets the tone for your entire presentation or speech. It's the moment when your audience decides whether they want to listen attentively or not. An effective introduction does two main things. It captures the audience's attention and makes them curious about what's coming next. Think of it as the trailer for a movie. If it's engaging and suspenseful, people will want to watch the full film. To create suspense or curiosity in your introduction, there are several strategies you can employ. 1. Start with a provocative question. By asking a question that challenges conventional wisdom or sparks debate, you immediately draw in your audience. 2. Use a compelling story or anecdote. A brief, engaging story relevant to your topic can make your audience want to know what happens next. 3. State an intriguing fact or statistic. This works especially well if the fact or statistic is surprising or counterintuitive. 4. Make a bold statement or claim. A bold claim makes your audience curious about how you'll support it throughout your speech. Crafting an introduction that creates suspense or curiosity involves a few key steps. 1. Identify your audience. Understanding your audience will help you select the most effective technique to grab their attention. 2. Decide on your technique. Choose one or combine several of the techniques we've discussed based on what best fits your topic and audience. 3. Draft your introduction. Write your introduction incorporating your chosen techniques. Remember, keep it concise and impactful. 4. Practice, revise, and practice again. Like any skill, creating engaging introductions requires practice. So don't get discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out perfect. Keep refining and practicing. And there you have it. You now know the secrets to creating suspense or curiosity in your speech introductions. Remember, the key is to make your audience eager to hear what you have to say next. Implement these techniques, and you're sure to see a noticeable improvement in your public speaking skills. Thanks for joining me today. Happy speaking, and see you in our next lesson.